Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy and welcome to this video. Welcome to my channel. And today what we're going to do is we're gonna look at this amazing app called Bottle to meet other people. So your message to the world in a bottle will be sent. Let's sign up. I wanna say they got that. Okay, let's put a meal. Let me stop you there. Now I have to put it on my own. Okay, let's keep going. Creating a user right now. Okay, for a better experience, tell us what you're looking for. A sailor, treasure hunter, pirate. I'm looking for a sailor. Taken. Safety first, so let's make sure you only receive appropriate content. How old are you, matey? I'm 20, matey. Almost there. I'm a female. So swipe left to see your friends, swipe right to see your profile. Tap this one to send your first bottle. Got it. I have received a bottle. Hello, anyone there? Please keep my bottle. Okay. Hey, this is Dora, 27 years old, from Entomans, looking for someone who I can talk to. A person who's genuine and can make me laugh. A person who's polite and have patience to listen to me because I'm not good at can't pretend so easily since I belong to a very conservative family. It's take a lot of time. I hope I can. Don't want to get bullied. Don't want to feel judged, insulted. I'm gonna keep that one. I'm Wit from Czech Republic. Nice to meet you. Like video games for cop. We can keep bottle. Okay. Oh my god. Wanna play a game? No. Don't want any. So this is my profile. As you can see, I don't have any visited country or nothing. So let me go here. These are my friends. So I've already got a message. Hey, I'm good. How are you? Actually making a video to introduce this app to others. So you are being recorded. Letting you know. No, and we send, and we can click and go to their profile. As you can see, you need a telescope to visit there. No, I don't share it. Why do I need a telescope? Okay. Alright. I have sent it. And so we have adventures, post-quarantine problems. Congratulations. Is a boy or a girl? It's food. Okay. You can also add yourself by clicking here. I want to also send something to someone I don't know who is gonna receive it. Right, perfect. Avoid explicit sexual bullying, racism. Okay. Hey, this is Daria. I'm from Turkey. I'm 20 years old. Here for would love to have some friends since My friends around. Thanks. Okay, let's put it down. Swipe. Oh, why? Why? Why you're not going? Okay, it did. Alright. Your bottle traveled. Awesome. Okay. We have some safety oven and chest. A bottle of room. Empty the bottle to send a message to the sea. Empty. Gold. Yes, we have a gold too. You just sent your first bottle, which might turn into your first bottle friend. Depending on the time zone of the receiver, it can take few hours. Same goes for incoming bottles. Awesome. So let's go like this. I can't. Okay. What you mean? Making a YouTube video right now. It's a video right now about the app. Okay. Hello, sunshine. Where is? I don't know which country is this. Hi. Hey. Okay, so it's pretty much it. As you can see, guys, I liked it. I will use it. I'm thinking at least. John, Turkey, release your bottle toward Rick, and Rick kept my bottle. Okay, we can delete our notifications from there, and we can close from here. And we can also change our island, as you can see from here, but I'm not sure if I want to do it yet. Oh. Okay. So, but why my island looks like this? I didn't understand. So guys, I think it's fun to use. I think you guys should give it a try. It's a fun app to meet other people. So if you like this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like this video. And if you would have the chance to really do that and someone will actually find a bottle, what would you write in there? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to hit my subscribe button too, so you and me and you, we can see each other in my next videos, okay? See you guys in my next videos.